thank you all for traveling so far to participate in this important panel.
Pode começar. Bom dia a todas e todos.
Good morning to everyone.
Meu nome é Elisa, sou do Movimento dos Atingidos por Barragens do Brasil.
My name is Elisa and I am a member of the movement affected by the dams in Brazil.
Eu gostaria primeiro de agradecer pelo convite para a gente participar desse evento.
I would like very much to thank you for inviting me to come and participate in this conference.
E gostaria de fazer um agradecimento especial
I would like to express my deepest gratitude first place
às comunidades indígenas, aos representantes indígenas que compartilharam suas histórias aqui conosco.
I would like to express my gratitude to the Aboriginal communities here who have shared their stories with me during this conference.
Especialmente as mulheres idosas e jovens que trouxeram aqui seus relatos.
Especially to the women, the elderly and the children who actually she learned a lot from them.
Mostraram uma força muito grande das mulheres na organização das comunidades.
The women play a very important role in this kind of struggle. So I'm very happy that they actively participate in it.
Nós do MAB gostaríamos de compartilhar um pouco como nós temos analisado o que tem acontecido e que nos afeta. Compartilhar essa análise com vocês.
I'm going to share some insight and some issues that have emerged in our movement and how we are addressing that.
A partir do MAB nós temos tentado compreender no sentido global os impactos que nos afetam.
In our Brazilian movement, we have attempted to understand from a global perspective how the dams construction affected us in all aspects of life.
O que nós temos compreendido é que o capitalismo mundial está passando por um momento de crise.
What we learned is actually capitalism in constant crisis.
É uma crise que é profunda, que iniciou lá pelo ano de 2008.
It's a deep crisis that is starting in 2008.
Que está em escala mundial.
That is in a global scale.
E que vem causando um aumento da desigualdade.
And this is generating so much inequality at global level.
Por exemplo, você tem 26 supermilionários.
For example, we have 26 billionaires
que concentram a mesma riqueza que a metade mais pobre da população.
That actually concentrate half of the global wealth made up by the millions of people, the poor.
Então, essa crise não tem dado sinais de que vai ser solucionada a curto prazo.
So this crisis, there's not indication that we are going to address this crisis very quickly.
A perspectiva de ter um mundo multipolar vem sendo substituída por um mundo polarizado cada vez mais, Estados Unidos e China.
What we are seeing today is actually a global society highly polarized between two major powers, China and United States, at the expenses of many other countries.
Então, Estados Unidos em um lado e China em outro têm disputado geopoliticamente o controle do mundo todo.
We have right now actually China competing with the United States for literally control of the world.
Isso explica um pouco também o retorno de uma política mais agressiva dos Estados Unidos para a América Latina no último período.
That also explains a very aggressive policy of the United States over Latin America.
Incluindo a presença militar com mais força nesse mais
including U.S. military presence in Latin America.
Nesse sentido, o capitalismo a nível global busca saídas para sua crise.
In that sense, global capitalism always looking for exit for their own crisis.
Essas falsas soluções incluem o aumento da exploração sobre os trabalhadores.
And that actually is one of the reasons why it's always trying to exploit as much as possible to the workers.
Inclui uma retirada de direitos historicamente conquistados pelo povo.
Including actually the withdrawal of rights or the undermining of rights from people all over the world.
Através das receitas de austeridade que são impostas aos governos.
Particularly through the implementation to socio-economic policy that actually accelerates the economic and the social crisis.
E que tem trazido uma frustração muito grande para o povo, que muitas vezes leva a eleger governos de extrema direita.
And this kind of crisis actually generate so much instability and forcing very radical political parties emerging, particularly from the right.
Como o caso de Trump nos Estados Unidos.
For example, President Trump represents one of those cases.
Como o caso de Bolsonaro no Brasil.
In Brazil, we have a president right-wing by the name of Bolsonaro.
que é uma vergonha mundial para nós brasileiros.
That is shameful for all Brazilians.
Uma outra saída que o capitalismo busca para sair da crise é avançar sobre a natureza cada vez mais.
Another solution the capitalists finds to get out of the crisis in which they are involved involves the exploitation of natural resources.
Então busca os recursos mais estratégicos que permitem maior acumulação.
They are always looking to exploit the strategic resources that is located in any part of the planet.
E isso inclui nossos territórios, nossos rios,
And that includes actually our territories, our rivers,
os minérios que estão embaixo da terra,
what is inside our soil, which is minerals,
as florestas.
the forest.
Tudo isso se converte cada vez mais em uma mercadoria.
Everything has become commoditized today.
Então é isso que nos afeta como atingidos por barragens.
And that is which is actually affecting those people being affected by dam construction in my country.
Quando o MAB começou a sua organização nos anos 80,
When the organization started mobilizing in the 80s,
a nossa luta era localizada nas regiões atingidas por barragens.
our struggle is just to be localized in the areas which we affected.
A gente enfrentava o Estado brasileiro.
We faced the Brazilian government.
Com o passar do tempo, nós fomos dando passos para criar um movimento nacional
With the time, we organized ourselves to be a national movement,
e passamos a entender que não estamos enfrentando só o governo brasileiro,
and we begin to understand we are not only facing the Brazilian government,
mas que nós estamos enfrentando também empresas privadas
that we are facing actually private corporations,
e especialmente o capital financeiro.
especially financial capitalism.
O Brasil, assim como no Canadá, tem a maior parte da sua energia de hidrelétricas.
Like in Canada, Brazil, most of the power is generating hydroelectric plants.
Que é uma energia muito mais barata do que a energia de fontes fósseis ou nuclear.
Is considered a cheaper source of energy than nuclear or other sources of material.
Mas nós brasileiros pagamos uma das contas de energia mais caras do mundo,
But Brazilians pay one of the highest rates for electricity,
porque a energia é vista como uma commodity.
because energy or electricity is perceived as a commodity.
Seu preço é estabelecido internacionalmente.
With international, they set up international prices for the electricity.
O setor elétrico é um dos mais lucrativos do
The
país.
electric company is one of the highest rate of profits in Brazil.
E esse lucro vem diretamente da conta da população.
And that profit comes directly from the Brazilian population.
Por outro lado, os atingidos por barragens não têm nenhum direito garantido por lei.
On the other side, those people being affected for hydroelectric dams, also, they don't have any right how to contest this or how to benefit from this process.
Então, todas as conquistas que os atingidos tiveram até hoje são fruto da luta que fizeram.
So everything we have achieved now has been actually through our own effort, through our own struggles.
Por isso nós somos um movimento que acredita na organização e na pressão popular.
For that reason, we are a movement that believes in the power of the mobilization.
Dos relatos que eu pude ouvir aqui até hoje, nós nos identificamos muito com os impactos que vocês relataram para nós.
I have sympathized very much some of the stories that you have shared with us yesterday. It's pretty much similar to the problems that we face back home.
O desfacelamento das comunidades,
The displacement of communities, for example,
a violência,
the violence that takes place comes with that.
o problema das drogas entre a
The
juventude,
problem of drugs within the youth,
a perda da água com tudo que significa o rio.
the loss of rivers.
Então, tudo isso é comum. Os atingidos por barragens se identificam muito com esses mesmos
We all
problemas.
face it in Brazil, similar problems. So we identify very much with your suffering here.
E nós podemos dizer, e acredito que vocês concordam, que nada compensa aquilo que é perdido nesse processo.
And you probably will agree with me that nothing compensates the loss we are going through.
Mas o que nós temos compreendido que é muito importante é a gente se fortalecer cada vez mais para enfrentar de cabeça erguida esses impactos.
What we have learned so far is actually we have to move forward. We have to strengthen organizations to face some of these further challenges coming in.
Por isso nós temos no MAB discutido como melhorar nossa organização.
For that reason, we always in our organization, we always discussing how we can improve our organization, how it can be more effective.
Temos destacado a importância da formação política.
For example, for us, political formation, education is critically important,
Principalmente para mulheres e para jovens,
particularly for the youth and women,
para que assumam as coordenações de suas comunidades,
So they
mas
can-
também estados e até nacional.
so they can actually play a critical role within the movement, not only at the local level, but also at the international level.
Também é importante para nós se articular com outros movimentos,
And also for us, it's very important to connect with other organizations
identificados com a perspectiva de esquerda,
and to be identified how sort of left-wing perspective we can have.
e não só no Brasil, mas se articular globalmente também.
We would like to do this actually to articulate at the global level.
Nesse sentido, nós do MAB temos participado da construção do MAR, que é um movimento internacional de
In this
atingidos,
sense, we are organizing a similar movement like in Brazil at the Latin American level,
que iniciou com mais força de uns 3 anos para cá, com mais força na América Latina,
and 3 years ago we have similar movements all over Latin America now.
mas que tem envolvido também organizações aqui do Canadá e dos Estados Unidos também nessa perspectiva global.
This organization has counted with support from Canada and United States and many other regions.
Que é a importância da gente toca no tempo. Isso traz para nós a importância de articular nossa luta em várias escalas.
So we need to scale up our struggle in different levels.
Tem um ditado que diz pensar globalmente e agir localmente.
Yeah, there's an old saying, it says, think globally, act locally.
Para nós não é suficiente apenas essa perspectiva,
For us, it's not only thinking is enough,
porque nós estamos enfrentando forças que atuam também globalmente.
but we are facing actually problems that is affecting at the global level. There are many factors, many forces out there.
Então a nossa atuação tem que combinar o nível local, nacional e internacional.
So we need to connect at the local, national, and the global level.
Não existe uma receita para isso.
There's not a single recipe to addressing all those problems.
Nós temos buscado fazer uma luta que ela é pelo direito dos atingidos por barragens,
We have to demand that they are reasserting our fundamental rights.
que é fundamental que seja feita nos territórios,
And that is critically important that actually we gain our rights where we live, at the local level.
mas quando nós passamos a questionar o modelo energético,
But when we are starting actually complaining to the government and questioning the official energy policy,
ou seja, quando nós questionamos para que se produz a energia e quem se beneficia com
for
isso,
example, when we question who is benefiting from that electricity, for whom that electricity is,
já impõe a necessidade da gente se articular em outros níveis.
this forces us to think strategically, so our movement can become organized in all levels.
E quando a gente chega à conclusão que o problema não é apenas a fonte de energia,
And when we come to the conclusion that actually the problem is not only the source of energy,
no painel anterior a gente foi desmistificada a ideia de que a hidroeletricidade é uma energia limpa.
in the previous presentation, the speaker questions that hydroelectric power is not a clean energy.
A verdade é que não existe energia limpa num sistema que ele é sujo.
The truth is actually we cannot have clean energy in a very dirty system in which we are living today.
Eu sou do movimento dos atingidos por barragens, eu moro na Amazônia,
I belong to my movement and I live in the Brazilian Amazon,
no estado do Pará, na região atingida por Belo
in the
Monte.
state of Pará, which has been affected by the dam construction.
E nossas comunidades participaram do processo do Sino da Amazônia.
And our movement has been very active in participating in all sorts of problems that our region is facing.
E nos inspirou a mensagem que o Papa Francisco da Igreja Católica trouxe sobre a perspectiva para a Amazônia.
And we were inspired and struggled by the message given by the Pope Saint Francis that gives us a perspective how our values can be shaped our struggle in the Brazilian Amazon.
Ele trouxe a perspectiva da ecologia integral,
For example, the perspective, the ecological integration is critically important.
que é a ideia que nós temos que resolver a equação entre o bem-estar da população e a preservação do meio ambiente.
And they believe that actually we must have a balance between our nature and our social conditions.
A perspectiva é que não tem como você ter um meio ambiente protegido, saudável e vivo se o lucro vale mais do que a vida.
We cannot have actually a safe socioeconomic conditions if we are making so much erosion of our environment.
Então isso põe para nós a perspectiva que nós temos que questionar o modelo capitalista.
In that perspective, we must question the capitalist philosophy.
Porque o lucro, quando o lucro está acima da vida, não existe uma forma de produzir energia limpa.
Because if we look only in terms of profit maximizing, we are not going to achieve a better quality of life for everybody.
Então essa perspectiva que eu queria trazer e reforçar que não podemos esperar que os de cima proponham uma solução para isso, senão os de baixo têm que se organizar em várias escalas.
For that reason, our perspective is very simple: bring solutions from the bottom up. Not solutions cannot come from top down.
Só para finalizar, gostaria de mostrar um vídeo que é rapidinho, são 3 minutos.
To finalize, I would like to give to show a video. It's about 3 minutes.
Okay, sure. We don't need to eat lunch, right? It's all good.
No,
You know, what I was thinking is we're probably going to go over a little bit anyway. And then so for people who are desperately hungry, when the food does come out, it'll just be in the back there. You can go and we'll continue kind of 15 or 20 minutes into the lunch period. Okay, sure. So is the video ready to go? Okay.
Just to finish.
A memória tem força de gravidade. Sempre nos atrai. As mulheres subverteram todos os papéis. Aquilo que sempre era visto como tarefa do lar transformou-se numa ferramenta poderosa. Bordados que são canções que se pintam. Bordados que se aproximam de um canto. Um canto de vocês, nosso, que é o mesmo canto de todas, que é também o meu próprio canto. Nós sabemos que o patriarcado nos oprime, o capitalismo nos explora e o modelo energético e hídrico que sustenta essas barragens desmantela a nossa vida. Mas nós resistimos. Resistimos porque é isso que fazemos desde quando viemos ao mundo. Resistimos porque dentro de nós existem vocês. Nós somos as Claídes, Marias, Alacídias, Fátimas, Dianas, Rosas, Elaines, Martas. Somos Simones, Patrícias, Adrianes, Marinas e Margaridas. E é por sermos coletivo que na luta triunfaremos. Somos fortes. Não somente pela força, mas pela esperança. Por esse jeito de amar, cuidar e acreditar. Mulheres, água e energia não são mercadorias.
Como Quindego, Tico Jonathan González Kiel, Merire Ambrare, Timorogos. Buenos días, mi nombre es Jonathan González Kiel, amigos, hombres y mujeres.
Good morning, my name is Jonathan Gonzalez, friends, men, women.
Les hablé en la lengua nativa más cercana a mis territorios
I spoke to you in the native language closest to my territories,
y hablé en esa lengua porque son los pueblos que en Panamá han hecho una batalla de dignidad por la justicia de nuestro territorio.
and I spoke to you in that language because in Panama, this is the language of the people who have fought to retain the rights of our territory.
Estos hermanos, que son Nobes y Buglés, lucharon contra las mismas contra los mismos bancos que financiaron la hidroeléctrica.
Or these brothers and sisters who are Nobes and Bugles, they fought against the hydroelectric powers.
que asesinaron a nuestra compañera Berta Cáceres Flores en Honduras.
who murdered our comrade Berta Cáceres in Honduras.
Y ella era de la fiel convencimiento
And she had a strong conviction
que podíamos refundar y cambiarlo todo,
that we could recreate and change everything,
y que todos podríamos ser una sola América.
and that we could all be a one united America.
Cuando pensamos en las hidroeléctricas,
When we think about hydroelectric plants,
a veces lo pensamos desde nuestra localidad.
we often think about it from our own local standpoint.
En Panamá, las hidroeléctricas aparecieron en los años 80
In Panama, the hydroelectric plants appear in the 80s
desde una visión desde el Estado,
from a state-centric vision.
pero con la llegada de Vicente Fox en México,
But with the arrival of Vicente Fox in Mexico,
se empezó a estudiar el potencial hidroenergético en toda Mesoamérica.
they started to study the potential for hydroelectric power in all of Mesoamerica.
Y eso dio inicio a un plan que inicia en México,
And that started a plan that began in Mexico
que se llama Plan Puebla-Panamá.
that's called Plan Puebla-Panamá.
Gracias a los hermanos de Geocomunes,
Thanks to our communist brothers,
hoy tenemos mapeado todos los proyectos hidroeléctricos en Mesoamérica.
today we have a map of all the hydroelectric projects in Mesoamerica.
Y ahí es donde surge nuestra pregunta:
And that's where we came up with the question,
¿contra quiénes estamos luchando?
against who are we fighting?
Peleamos desde un enfoque local, pero
We are fighting from a local standpoint,
pero hay un grupo de empresas detrás de estos proyectos hidroeléctricos.
but there is a network of corporations behind these hydroelectric projects.
Y no hemos sido capaces de visibilizar esas empresas y ponerle nombres a los que nos destruyen.
And we have been able to see who those corporations are and put a name to the people who are destroying us.
En la región son las mismas empresas que destruyen tanto a Honduras, Nicaragua, Panamá y Costa Rica, son los mismos bancos que financian estos proyectos de muerte.
In the region, it is the same companies who have hydroelectric projects in Honduras, Nicaragua, Panama, and Costa Rica, the same companies who are financing these projects of death.
Entonces, tenemos que visualizar a ese enemigo que es el enemigo en común en los diferentes países de la región.
So we have to expose and visualize who this enemy is who is threatening our region.
Entonces, es importante ante el conocimiento de estos actores cómo nosotros podemos empezar una articulación.
So it's very important that with the knowledge of who these corporations are, to ask ourselves how can we begin to articulate ourselves.
Las diferentes organizaciones aglutinadas en la Red Nacional en Defensa del Agua en Panamá,
The different organizations that come together in the network of
Red Nacional en Defensa del Agua de Panamá,
National Network of Defense of the Water in Panama.
creemos que el camino es una articulación continental y también mundial.
We believe that this response is an articulation, a national articulation, but also at a global level.
Y hemos dado el paso de hacernos miembros del movimiento de afectados por represa a nivel continental.
So they have, in the region, they have made the choice to articulate themselves with the movement of people affected by dams at the continental level.
Hace unos meses nos encontramos en Panamá más de 110 personas de diferentes partes de América y también visitantes de África,
A few months ago, 110 people from different places in Latin America, also some places in Africa, came together,
donde pudimos soñar, abrazarnos, sentirnos y también estudiar las alternativas y las posibilidades de luchar contra este monstruo.
where they could come together to embrace each other, feel with each other, and also imagine ways that they can fight together against this monster.
Antes éramos un grupo de ríos y ahora todos estos ríos nos juntamos para hacer un gran mar, un gran océano.
We used to be just a group of different rivers, but now we have converged to create a big ocean.
Con la posibilidad de generar formación política y también sentar las bases para alternativas y buscar la soberanía energética.
With the goal of looking for alternatives to plan and to seek for energetic sovereignty.
También entendemos que hay otros elementos externos que están asociados al extractivismo,
They also understand that there are external elements that are associated to extractivism,
como es el militarismo proveniente de la hegemonía del norte.
for example, militarism coming from northern hegemony.
En 10 años tuvimos 39.263 tropas moviéndose a diferentes bases guiadas por los Estados Unidos.
In 10 años.
10 años.
In 10 years, they had
39.263.
39,263 American troops coming into the region.
La compañera Berta Cáceres también fue asesinada por soldados hondureños entrenados en escuelas militares de Estados Unidos.
Their comrade Berta Cáceres was also murdered by Honduran troops who were trained in the United States.
La lucha de los Estados Unidos contra el narcotráfico ha sido el caparazón
US's drug and wars has been the shell
para generar una política de intervención y poder saquear todos nuestros bienes comunes de la madre tierra.
to generate an interventionist policy so that they can come and extract all the resources from the Mother Earth.
Entonces también tenemos que entender quiénes son nuestros aliados más cercanos en el norte para luchar contra el enemigo hegemónico.
So they have to understand who are their closest true allies here in the global north so that they can together fight against this hegemonic enemy.
Y en estos tiempos creo que tenemos que también sentir esperanza, sentir hermandad,
So in these times it's very important to feel hope, to feel fraternity,
porque solo la esperanza vencerá el miedo.
because only hope can trump fear.
Y cuando ya no tengamos miedos, vamos a poder articularnos para pelear contra el enemigo.
And it is only when we are no longer afraid that we can come together to fight against our common enemy.
En los últimos meses hay pueblos movilizados desde el sur hasta Centroamérica.
The last few months there have been a number of mobilizations from the north all the way to tip of South America.
Porque Ellis acaba de mencionar que sí nos encontramos en una crisis del capitalismo global.
Because just like Elise just mentioned, we are facing a crisis against global capitalism.
Y los pueblos ya han decidido que es la hora de cambiarlo todo.
And the people have already decided that it is time to change everything.
Los medios de comunicación han invisibilizado diferentes procesos.
The media has made different processes visible,
Porque no solo se trata de las políticas neoliberales,
because it's not only about neoliberal politics.
han invisibilizado nuestra profunda cultura, nuestra profunda tradición indígena.
The media has made invisible their deep culture and indigenous traditions.
Y hoy millones y millones de indígenas en América están luchando por ese reconocimiento de autonomía y gobernanza.
And currently there are millions of indigenous people in Latin America fighting for their sovereignty and the recognition of their rights.
Y desde Panamá, las 7 naciones indígenas estarán luchando contra ese modelo energético
And in Panama, the 7 indigenous nations will be fighting against this energy model.
y de seguro estarían felices conociendo que en el norte, en Canadá, los pueblos indígenas están haciendo lo mismo.
And they would be very happy to know that here in Canada, indigenous peoples are doing the same.
Entonces tenemos un gran reto
So we have a very big challenge.
y ese reto, más allá de esperanza, tiene que ser construido
And that challenge beyond hope has to be built
con unidad
with unity,
y una unidad partiendo de un matrimonio
and it's a unity that begins with a marriage
entre los movimientos sociales,
between social movements,
las comunidades,
the communities,
las universidades
the universities,
y sobre todo logrando una articulación, pero una articulación planteada en la unidad y en el respeto de la diversidad.
and more importantly, to articulate ourselves in a way that begins from respect and recognition of our own humanity.
Porque eso es lo que somos un pueblo diverso y esa es una de nuestras principales ventajas para la lucha.
Because that's what we are. We are a diverse people, and that's our strength in this fight.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jonathan. It's very inspiring. So my name is Maria Marlou. I'm from Committee for Human Rights in Latin America. We are a solidarity organization based in Montreal and the so-called province of Quebec. So I really thank the organization for inviting us here. And I thank you. I'm very honored to be participating to that important event. I thank you, your patience for listening our language that is not that fluent. So our organization has links of solidarity with all the movement sitting at that table, the movement of people affected by Downs in Brazil, the movement of Latin American movement affected by Downs, and the movement Rivers Allies of my colleague Isabel Zuleta that will speak after me in Colombia. So we try to build bridges between the movement and the struggles here in the North and in Latin America, because we believe that we have the same problem with extractivism. You all know that extractivism, Canada has a big role in the extractivism. We have the economic, the legal, and the political frame to be kind of offshore for the company, the extractivism companies, to be registered here in Canada. So they reproduce the same thing as they did since the colonization here in Canada with the indigenous people in the communities. They are reproducing the same thing all over the world, and in particular in Latin America through neoliberal politics. We have the frame in Canada to assure the impunity of the company and deny the access of justice. So our work we do is to advocate and educate the people in Quebec and Canada on the environmental impacts, the human rights impact of dams and all kind of projects of extractivism. We also support the land, the life, the water defenders, and try to visibilize the criminalization and the harassment that they are suffering. Jonathan talked about us of the assassination of Berta Cáceres. So to speak and to stand for their rights, for the environment, for the water in Latin America can kill you. So I would like to stop there and to let my colleague Isabel Zuleta from the movement of Allies River in Colombia that is fighting big mega dams which called Hydro-Ituango. So Export Development Canada and Quebec funds, which is called Caisse de dépôt et placement, are funding this project, this mega project. So Canada is very involved, just not here, but in many other projects in Latin America. So just add that Isabel came for a tour in Canada. She went to a lot of cities, and she to visibilize her struggle and to try to do advocacy with our government.
Buenas tardes, muchas gracias por la invitación.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for the invitation.
Soy Isabel Cristina Zuleta, vengo del municipio de Ituango en el departamento de Antioquia en Colombia.
My name is Isabela Sueta.
Vengo de Ituango.
I come from Ituango in Colombia.
Ituango significa río de chicha,
Ituango means river of chicha.
porque el licor ha sido una forma de compartir, nunca estuvo en contra nuestra, sino a favor del compartir.
Chicha is a local fermented alcoholic drink, and historically it's been used always to share among people.
Lo primero que nos quitaron con Hydro-Ituango fue nuestro nombre, porque ahora todos nos reconocen como esta persona es de Hydro-Ituango, no de Ituango.
The first thing that they took away when the hydroelectric company came was their own name, because now they're called as Hydro-Ituango, not Ituango anymore.
Como si la hidroeléctrica fuera una región en sí misma.
Just as if the hydroelectric corporation is a region in itself.
Ya no somos el pueblo de Ituango, sino el pueblo de la hidroeléctrica.
We are no longer the town of Ituango, now we are the town of the hydroelectric plant.
El nombre significa existir.
The name Ituango means to exist.
Por eso la primera lucha del movimiento fue por la existencia.
And that's why the first fight in the movement was for our own existence.
Porque decían que era el kilovatio hora más barato del continente porque allí no quedaba gente.
Because they used to say that the kilowatt produced in that plant was the cheapest kilowatt in the continent because there was no people in that region.
Desde que me conozco, nací en medio de la guerra.
Since I began to know myself, I was born in the midst of the war.
Tuve que crecer en medio de los movimientos armados, en medio de los bombardeos.
I had to grow up in the middle of civil conflict, in the middle of bombs dropping, in the middle of fight.
La mayoría de mi pueblo ha sido desplazado, desaparecido, asesinado.
Most of my people have been displaced, murdered, disappeared.
La hidroeléctrica se beneficia del conflicto armado y se beneficia de la guerra.
The hydroelectric corporations benefit from the armed conflict and they benefit from the war.
Pero pese a las 124 masacres y a todo el dolor que hemos vivido,
But even in spite of the 124 massacres and all the suffering that we've lived through,
sabemos que la peor de las violencias es la violencia ambiental.
we know that the worst of violence is the violence against the environment.
Hoy no solo somos víctimas, sino que la mayor parte de la población está enferma.
We are not only victims today, but most of our people are also sick.
No tenemos la esperanza de volver porque la tierra ha sido inundada o destruida.
We don't have any hopes to return to our land because it has been flooded and destroyed.
Por eso reconocemos que la obligación hoy primordial que tenemos es devolver la esperanza.
That's why today we recognize that our duty is to return hope.
Me da mucho miedo no tener miedo.
I am very afraid to no longer be afraid.
Me da mucho miedo no sentir.
I am very afraid to no longer feel.
Porque conocí en medio de una movilización que era no tener miedo.
because I know how it is to be in the middle of mobilization. Being in there taught me not to be afraid,
Necesitamos el miedo.
but we need to be afraid.
El miedo hace que nos protejamos.
Fear makes us protect ourselves.
El miedo hace que nos cuidemos.
Fear makes us take care of ourselves.
Tenemos que saber qué hacer con el miedo.
We have to know what to do with that fear.
Cuando mucha gente no tiene miedo, está dispuesta a cualquier cosa.
When a lot of people are not afraid, they're willing to do many things,
Y eso es muy peligroso.
and that's very dangerous.
Nos hacemos daño a nosotros mismos.
We are hurting ourselves.
Yo hoy tengo la esperanza de hacer parte de un movimiento que me da una razón para vivir.
Today, I have the hope of being part of a movement who gives me a reason to live.
Porque no soy indígena,
Because I'm not indigenous,
no soy negra,
I am not black,
tampoco soy blanca.
I am not white either.
Soy todo eso.
I am everything and all of that.
Y desde todo eso quiero luchar.
And my fight is from all of that.
La comunidad indígena de mi territorio solo se reconoció como indígena cuando estuvo amenazada.
The indigenous community in the territory only came to recognize itself as an indigenous community when they were threatened.
Sabemos que hay un reconocimiento desde la amenaza que no está bien.
We know that there is a way of recognizing ourselves that happens when we are threatened by something, and that's not right.
Solo está bien cuando buscamos dentro de nosotros de dónde venimos.
We should recognize ourselves only from how we live.
En mi pueblo hemos construido una manera de enfrentar el problema.
In our town, we have built a way of fighting this problem.
Dijimos nos oponemos a la hidroeléctrica.
We said we oppose the hydroelectric.
Ellos dijeron que nos daban tierras si no nos oponíamos.
And they said, if you don't oppose the hydroelectric project, we'll give you land.
Entendimos que la dificultad es que seamos opositores, porque sin oposición no hay conflicto.
And we understood that the real problem for them is our opposition. Because if we don't oppose them, there is no conflict.
No desean que seamos opositores para que no haya solución real, sino falsas soluciones.
They don't want us to oppose it, so there is no real solutions, only fake solutions.
Entonces, como la represa ya está construida, ¿cómo seguir siendo opositores a la hidroeléctrica?
So in this case, since the dam is already built, then how can we continue to oppose this project?
Ahora queremos que se desmantelen y que se liberen los ríos del mundo.
So now we are demanding that they take the hydroelectric plant down and to liberate the rivers of the world.
Porque no podemos ser consecuentes permitiendo las hidroeléctricas que hoy están.
Because we cannot make sense of our life if we allow these hydroelectric plants to stand.
Entonces la lucha no solo es porque no se construyan las hidroeléctricas, sino porque se liberen los ríos.
So our fight is not to stop building hydroelectric plants, it is to dismantle them and to liberate the rivers.
Hidroituango es para nosotros la demostración de que la ciencia fracasó.
Hidroituango is for us the proof that science has failed.
Nos dijeron que todo estaba bien, que todo estaba controlado.
They told us that everything is okay, everything is under control.
Y sabían que habían fallas geológicas, sabían que la tierra temblaba.
But they knew that they were building on a seismic place. They knew that there were a lot of earthquakes in that area.
Nos dijeron que tenían el conocimiento para dominar la tierra.
They told us that they had the knowledge to dominate the earth.
Hoy la represa está inestable y se
Today,
ha colapsado parte de ella.
today the dam is unstable and parts of it have collapsed.
No escucharon a la gente y hoy podemos decir que son ellos los que no saben nada.
They didn't listen to the people, so today we can say it was them who don't know anything.
No queremos extractivismo académico,
We don't want academic extractivism
porque han ido a estudiarnos y no han entendido lo que nosotros queremos.
because they have come to study us and they haven't understood what it is that we want.
Después de todo esto y de ver cómo la Contraloría en Colombia dijo que esta hidroeléctrica no era viable económicamente,
After seeing all this mess and seeing that the government in Colombia said that this wasn't an economically viable project,
que se van a demorar 114 años en recuperar su dinero,
that it'll take them 114 years to recover their investment,
hemos empezado a pensar que el asunto no es el dinero.
we have realized that the problem for them is not the money.
Lo que quieren es dominarnos, dominar el territorio.
What they want is domination, to
Lo que
dominate
quieren
us,
es
the territory.
controlarnos.
They want to control us.
Y ese control se da por la vía del deseo.
And that control follows a line of desire.
Quieren que deseemos otras cosas.
They want us to have different desires.
El capitalismo se ha metido en las entrañas.
The capitalism has come inside our bodies.
Quieren cambiar nuestras pasiones.
They want to change our passions.
Inundaron a nuestros muertos.
They flooded our death.
No entienden por qué luchamos por los muertos, porque sin la muerte no hay vida.
They don't understand why we're fighting for the dead, but we understand that without death there is no life.
Solo hemos logrado rescatar 159 cadáveres, pero nos faltan más de 3.000.
They were only able to recover
59.
159 cadavers who were flooded by the hydroelectric plant, but there are still many missing.
Vamos a seguir luchando por la muerte
They're going to keep fighting for the dead
para poder entender la vida.
to be able to understand life.
Pero también vienen por nuestras pasiones.
But they're after our passions.
La pasión, el deseo y los sentimientos son lo que mueve el mundo.
Passion, desires, feelings, that's what moves the world.
De esto es lo que se quiere apropiar el capitalismo.
That's what they want to control. That's what capitalism wants to appropriate.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
So we're only 10 minutes late. Is the food even there? I guess it is, yeah. So actually, kind of an elder address and also, why don't you kind of, do we have a mic? Evan, do we have a mic there? Okay, perfect. Ramona's walking around with, or Matt is walking around with the mic. And there's obviously a lot going on here, and it's an impossible task almost to do it justice in 20 minutes, but we'll do what we can. If you can lift your hands way up. Okay, perfect. That'd be great.
My name is Marguerite Sanderson. I come from the north in Manitoba. We have a dam built off Grand Rapids Dam. Right now today, our dam might break up. People have been warned already ahead of time, and the government is covering it up. So we have a lot of people over there that live down there in Grand Rapids. It's a community. We also have a reserve, which is indigenous land set aside. Actually, all of this is indigenous land, but it was reserves that we were put into. We were colonized as well. So my question is when you talk about dismantling, we want to blow up the dams. It's caused us so much loss. It's so, the long-term effects are intergenerational. Yeah. So we're poor, okay? Our hydro is being cut off. A lot of the homes are under welfare and social assistance, social welfare. Even though it's being looked after, but it's not being looked after proper. So a lot of our people are suffering. when we're not benefiting at all from the dams. We see the electricity cost go so high that we don't have a say in that. And we were told that we would benefit from these hydroelectric dams. And in actuality, it's destroyed our land. It's dispossessed our people from the land. So I encourage you to continue working together in collaboration. Because yeah, we've suffered a lot of losses ourselves. You mentioned one elder this morning, David Lackland. He fought against this dam. He didn't want it built. But he also saw that we could get hydro at a lower cost because it was right on our land, and it was also taking a watershed from us, our water resources. So that's the impact that we have seen today, is we're not able to go back into controlling our own lives. We're not in control of our own lives. We are the ward of the government here in Canada. And the person that's supposed to be looking after us, who was our mother, was the Queen. And then we were told that we couldn't say anything because the Queen gave up the rights to Canadian government when we came into Confederation. And after a while, building up this whole place we call Canada. Kananaskis is the word we refer to. And when we say that in our language, in Cree, that's actually sacred holy land in Cree. And everything in terms of our land, our precious land and resources, you can't do anything without land. And the land is part of us. And so we've been fighting to establish our right to water resources, being diverted to the States now. And pretty soon, with all this fracking and all the oil spills, because we're not just talking about dams, we're also talking about other industries, like the mining. The mining has done a lot of damage to our area here in beautiful Canada. A lot of people out there in the world don't know exactly how we're impacted. And in the north, we were also told not to criticize, to accept what was given to us under their terms. And they said, take it or leave it. We should have left it. And there's a lot of people that wanted to leave it. But there are people under these organizations, these corporations, that have you identified who these people are behind these corporations? Because it sounds like we are getting close to identifying who these people are. Yeah. But thank you very much. You've invited me, and I know that we're not alone. And as we know, I give you thanks.
So did anybody want to respond, I guess, starting with Isabel, did anybody else want to respond to that comment from Margaret? Isabel first and then Jonathan? No, okay, Jonathan.
Bueno, quiero ser un poco corto con mi respuesta.
So I want to be brief with my response.
Los hermanos Nove, Buglé, donde yo estoy, también quieren explotar una hidroeléctrica.
The brothers Noble Gublé, where he lives, they also want to exploit to blow up a hydroelectric plant.
Y para responder la segunda pregunta, que se han identificado, que si hemos identificado las empresas, pues sí, la minera First Quantum Minerals.
So to answer the second question, yes, we have identified a number of companies, and the first one is a mining company.
First Quantum Minerals. Sí, sí. Esta empresa canadiense tiene las más grandes reservas de cobre y oro en Panamá.
This Canadian company has the biggest reserves of gold and copper in Panama.
y tienen una empresa panameña que solo representa el 1% de la operación.
And it has a Panama Front Face Corporation that only represents 1% of the Canadian conglomerate.
Pagando solo el 3% al gobierno panameño.
And they pay only 3% of the revenue to the Panama government.
Más del 90% de la ganancia será para First Quantum Minerals.
And 90% of the profit goes to First Quantum Minerals.
Thank you.
Gracias. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you. We just had the suggestion, maybe because we've got not a lot of time left, that what we could do is entertain maybe 2 or 3 questions from different people, and then people up here could then respond as they would. So if okay, Carol, and then we'll continue on. Yeah. But if you can keep the questions short, because that obviously gives people more time to respond.
Hello, my name is Carol Polisky, and I'm from a community up north where we own 33% of a hydroelectric dam. I just want to say thank you for coming to our country, and I recognize Maria and some of the people up on the panel. I actually had the opportunity to go to Panama last month. As part of our group, I went there on behalf of our group to show support to MAR, which means ocean, I believe, in their language. So it was very interesting to be a part of that conference and to meet a lot of people from around the world and to see what they're all going through on that side of the world, and to know that we're all going through the same thing. And I'm finding that these corporations that are coming into our communities and building dams in our areas and in our reserves and in our home countries, I'm finding out that our people are not benefiting the way we're supposed to be benefiting from these corporations. And I heard one of the speakers in one of our workshops mention revenue sharing. You know, you don't see much of that. You don't see much of what we're gaining out of these hydro projects. And I find that, I think it's time that our people rise up, stand up together, and make these corporations accountable for what they've done to our land, and to our water, and to our way of life. They come and they introduce partnerships to us, which I believe is a bunch of bull, because they're basically setting us up for failure. And I see it in my own community. This was one project that we own. We're going in the hole. And it concerns me because the future generation of my community are not going to end up with nothing. And that's what I'm afraid of. And this has to stop. The government that is creating these corporations, that support these corporations, need to make them accountable for what they're doing to our communities, to our nations, because when you look around our communities, you see a lot of poverty still. Unemployment is low, high. The conditions of our homes are bad, which this shouldn't be happening. And this has to change. And the only way it's going to change is when we unite, and which we have with people from the other side of the world coming together and coming here and supporting us and us supporting them. It's about unity and making our voices stronger and building that relationship. Like someone said, we're building bridges. And it's about time. You can't just stand back and allow your leaders or your governments to do this to us. This has to change. Because the way I look at it, our way of life, we can't take it back. It can't be replaced. And what I'm seeing now is our children, our elders are suffering in our communities and all over. All for the sake of cheap hydropower that's being sold so that we can switch on a light. But what are we gaining out of it? Not much. And this has to stop. But I thank you for coming here and sharing your knowledge and your stories and giving us something that we can work on to better our relationship and better our, make our voices stronger. Thank you.
a student at the U of M. I heard that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so I'm gonna take that opportunity. Yeah. So I'd like to share my perspective on this matter, this conference in general. My confidence coming into this conference was quite high, in that I believed in those who were participating to deliver these kinds of messages. I knew that there were going to be people here who have done their research and who have done the work to present it in a way that is informative, intense, and inspiring. So for that, thank you to each and every one of you who has spoken, who I've met. And yeah, so my goal right now is to really push myself out of this boundary, push myself out of this shell in order to expose myself and get out of my vulnerability to, experience this sensation, this feeling of in the now moment in front of people who I don't know or who are willing to collaborate with and learn from. So sharing my experience, sharing this now moment right here, I'm feeling a sense of hope in myself. I'm feeling this collectiveness of light. I'm feeling how I would like to feel and how I should feel at this kind of conference. So I want to be on my journey, an example for upcoming youth, upcoming leadership, to really push that boundary and really incorporate, instill, make these teachings valuable to our own lives. So I think that I've put a lot of social responsibility on myself to do that. So I have the mindset I've cultivated to really drive my studies forward in order to provide these kind of insights and these kind of examples. So I encourage my peers, I encourage those that are my friends to really push their own boundaries so that we can help those who have us quieter voice. So thanks, Sam, and thank you very much.
Okay, so we just got a few more minutes left, and so what I was thinking is just to turn it over to the panel. You had 3 or 4 people from hydro-impacted communities talking both about the shared experiences in terms of the impacts, but also their hope that because these impacts are being felt around the world, that maybe there was a common path forward, whether it comes out of this conference or elsewhere. And so maybe what I'll ask each of you, 3 panelists, to do is to respond, to talk about whether you can see.
I'm going to be very short.
Reforçar que nós vamos estar aqui até o final da conferência, então podemos conversar também. Que a
So
gente
perhaps actually we can talk, because I'm going to be until tomorrow, and if there's opportunity to talk together, I will be more than happy to.
Mais uma vez queria agradecer pela oportunidade
But first I would like to thank you the great opportunity I had to be with you,
e reforçar a importância de fortalecer a solidariedade
and reinforce what is very important is to establish a more close solidarity.
Nesse sentido, essa conferência é um marco muito importante para nós.
In this sense, actually, the participating in this conference has been a really great privilege and for us.
Nós trouxemos alguns materiais para distribuir, mas não vai dar para cada.
Yeah, we have actually some materials in English that we would like to share with you. They are not for everyone, but for everybody. But we have a very few materials that we would like to share with you.
Então podem se sentir à vontade para pegar de acordo com o seu interesse.
Please feel free to come and pick up some material that can explain a little bit our movement.
Esse é sobre a experiência dos atingidos por barragens com energia solar na Amazônia.
This, for example, is a project that solar energy in the Brazilian Amazon, how we are doing.
E essa é a análise do movimento sobre os crimes da Vale, do rompimento das barragens.
And this is actually an analysis of how much damaging the dams constructions had been on the Brazilian communities.
Do rompimento das barragens de mineração.
Particularly mining dams, which have failed in Brazil.
Isso, mais uma vez, obrigada.
Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Bueno, yo creo que lo primero que tenemos que hacer
So I think that the first thing we need to do
regresar a nuestros territorios y compartir lo que ha pasado aquí con nuestras comunidades.
is for them to go back to their territories and to share what happened here with their communities
Y llevarnos especialmente las esperanzas.
and to bring hope with them.
Las empresas nos han hecho sufrir mucho y ya no necesitamos transmitir sufrimiento a los que queremos que sigan luchando.
The corporations have made us suffer a lot, and we don't need to recreate that suffering to the people who've been already suffering in the fight.
Efectivamente no estamos solos y creemos que si nos juntamos
Effectively, we are not alone, and we believe that if we come together,
podemos llegar a ser una gran fuerza.
we can come to be a great force.
Panamá, en mi territorio,
In my territory in Panama,
se plantearon 100 proyectos y solo han construido 35 en 10 años.
they wanted to build 110 plants, but they've only completed 35 in 10 years.
Hemos perdido 35 batallas, pero no se han construido otras 70 hidroeléctricas.
They have lost 35 battles, but at the same time, they have stopped 70 other projects from coming into being.
O sea que la resistencia sí es un camino y sí podemos por lo menos detener y poder pensarnos en la libertad del río.
So the resistance works, it is a path forward, and it allows us to rethink ourselves in the face of that enemy.
Y bueno, me despido diciendo que tenemos que estar unidos todos.
And so I'll say goodbye saying that we all need to be united.
Yo vine a Canadá también a buscar esperanza,
I also came to Canada looking for hope,
porque no podía ser que la visión en mi país de todos los canadienses era ser destructores de la naturaleza.
because I didn't want all the people in my country to see Canadians as destroyers of nature.
Debía haber gente linda acá y vine a buscarla y la encontré.
I knew that there had to be good people here in Canada, so I came here to look for them and I found them.
En mi territorio también hay una minera que se llama Continental Gold,
In my territory, there's also a mining company called Continental Gold.
que es canadiense
It's a Canadian company,
y quiere sacar el oro de todas las montañas y de debajo de la hidroeléctrica.
and it wants to take all the gold from underneath all the mountains and underneath the hydroelectric plants.
Hay muchas maneras de juntarnos.
There are a lot of ways of coming together.
Les pedimos nos ayuden con las empresas que están acá, como Continental Gold,
We ask your help to help us with the companies who are here in Canada, like Continental Gold,
y también el de exportaciones,
and also the
¿cómo se llama?
Export Development Canada.
Eso es.
Export Development Canada,
Y el Banco de Pensiones de Quebec,
and the Quebec Pension Bank,
a exigirles a su gobierno que no nos destruyan más,
to demand of them that Canada stop destroying their territory,
que no merecemos eso
because they don't deserve that.
y que ningún pueblo en el mundo lo merece.
And no people in the world deserves that.
También destruyeron nuestras viviendas, no tenemos tierra y no tenemos comida.
They also destroyed our homes, we don't have any land, we don't have food.
Dicen que debemos conformarnos con la comida que ellos nos dan,
They tell us that we should be happy with the food that the government is handing out.
que el pescado ya no debe ser libre,
They told us that fish should no longer be free,
sino el que se cultiva en los pozos.
but that they should eat farm fish.
Pero el pescado de pozo sabe a tierra, no a pescado.
But the fish that is farmed tastes like dirt. It doesn't taste like fish.
Hay que recuperar el sentido del gusto porque los alimentos que están produciendo no saben de verdad.
We have to recover our sense of taste because the food that they're giving to us, they don't taste like food.
Si el pescado no es libre, no deberíamos comerlo.
If fish is not free, then we shouldn't be eating it.
Y por eso, para nosotros es muy importante la unidad, porque aprendí aquí con la liberación del río Elwha
So this is why unity is important to us, because I learned here with the liberation of the river Elwha
que ha vuelto el salmón y tiene memoria hídrica.
that the salmon have returned and it has a water memory.
Y me voy con mucha esperanza para mi país al ver cómo el río Elwha se recuperó con gran velocidad.
And I returned to my country with a lot of hope from seeing how the river Elwha has recovered very quickly.
Es una alegría inmensa ver el río libre y cómo desmantelaron aquí en la frontera con Estados Unidos 2 hidroeléctricas.
It's a pleasure to see how the river in the border with the States, the hydroelectric plant has been dismantled and it runs free, and it stopped 2 hydroelectric projects.
Y me voy con mucha esperanza para mi país de que sí es posible y de que nos podemos juntar con toda la experiencia que hay acá para desmantelar represas.
So I returned to my country very happy with the hope and having seen that it is possible to dismantle hydroelectric projects.
Ustedes tienen esa experiencia acá más cerca, no tienen que viajar tanto como yo para conocerla.
You have that experience closer to home, you don't have to travel as far as she had to go and see it.
Y los invito a que vayan a ese río libre y sientan el espíritu de la libertad, que eso es lo que nosotros queremos, ser libres.
And she invites you to go to that river and to feel that spirit of freedom, because that is what they want. They want to be free.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Okay. So we'll end it like that, if that's okay. Evan, I know the IT guy needs to take the microphone, so even if we don't stop, we will have to stop. So that's happening. We have lunch at the back. If we could.